Are you ready to kickstart your career as a QA automation engineer? Welcome to TutorAC's Job Assistance QA Automation Engineer program, where you will master essential skills like automation testing using Selenium, Postman, JUnit, TestNG, and learn to write efficient scripts in Java, Python, or JavaScript. Gain practical experience using TestNG for testing, learn how to set up CI/CD pipelines, manage projects with Git, and understand how to perform unit testing and handle deployment processes in real-world scenarios. This program is ideal for working professionals, recent graduates, or anyone looking to break into the growing field of QA automation. With over 1 lakh job openings and salaries ranging from 5 lakhs to 18 lakhs, this is the perfect opportunity to build your future. The program is taught by experienced instructors from top MNCs like Google, Amazon, Infosys, and Wipro with a proven 95% placement success rate. You will engage in real-time hands-on projects, coding assessments, and guided labs. You'll also have access to playground labs to practice and build your portfolio, giving you real-world experience. We offer comprehensive placement assistance, including resume building, soft skills, training, and mock interview preparation to help you ace your job interviews. Register now for a free consultation and start building your career as a QA automation engineer.